One of the here, one I hear, something I hear all the time in presentation workshops is that people are struggling with getting engagement. One of the things I like to do to get people engaged into my talk or my session and my topic, and also to have it live longer afterwards, is to give them pre-work and post-work. So I always like to give people an assignment coming into the session or the talk and have them do it. And this gets people thinking around your topic and reflecting and engaging with it before you even step in. Then during the presentation or the session or the workshop, whatever you're presenting or facilitating, you get people interacting around the pre-work, and you have them doing exercises and engaging. And people are dying for this, right? We don't want to just sit and be talked at. We want to also participate and be involved and interact and share our thoughts. So I think it's really important to bake in this interaction. Even if you're doing a 20-minute presentation, get some interaction in there. Because holding engagement for 20 minutes, you got to be really good. I mean, a lot of TED Talks I can't even listen for 18 minutes. So plan it in there, and then at the end, give people a task. This is how I want you to take this further. This is my challenge to you. Or send out, some post work, and that'll keep the work alive and keep the topic going in their minds, and hopefully help people engage much more with your work.